What's up, you guys? So today we are doing another install. So we are working with a little 14-inch water wave wig, but it's not going to be like a classic water wave install. It's going to be something totally different. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of makeup inside. I didn't really put a lot on there. This is the inside of the wig, what it looks like. It looks really cute, really nice. And then this is what everything looks like. Okay, you guys, so for the first time I am going to try the method where I don't cut the lace before I put the bow hold liquid gold on, and actually it did work pretty good. So you guys are going to see how that works. So you guys see I have my bow hold, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a layer on my middle first. I just did that for the middle specifically first, and then I let it dry a little bit. As you guys are gonna see, I blow dried it just a little bit and let it get a little tacky, kind of like a lace glue would be, and then I went ahead and laid it down that way. So that seemed to work pretty good, and it did really hold, because later on down in the tutorial you guys are going to see me like pulling my hair, and between the bow hold liquid gold and the ORS hold spray, it really came out really good. So everything else is pretty much everything else I pretty much do in every other install. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch for yourself, and then you guys can see how I transform this wig. Okay guys, so I think I am going to pluck it a little bit more. Well, I didn't even pluck it, I'm lying. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck it a little bit before I even start doing anything else to it. This is my first time actually using the bolt hold liquid gold without me cutting the lace. My first time doing it and I kind of like it. It's kind of cool, but I'm gonna go ahead and start plucking. So I'm gonna just fast forward, y'all gonna watch me pluck. This is the alternative way that you can pluck. Taking my tweezers and then I'm gonna start plucking. And then this way, I kind of like it this way a little bit more because this way you can see what you're doing rather than kind of seeing how it's gonna look on you. You can actually see exactly how it's gonna look on you from you plucking. I'm gonna take down maybe one more layer. But y'all can see how transparent this lace is, how good it looks. I added some makeup to it. Okay you guys, so this is how the hair looks, and it's like naturally curly state. It's like water wave-ish, you know. I wasn't trying to wear my hair like this, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to blow dry this out and we're gonna go ahead and get to curling. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a regular curler. I'm gonna use some bio silk, and you guys are just going to watch me curl my hair in the process that I use. When I curl my hair, I use flexi rods and a curler, and I incorporate them both together so that I can get the curls that I want at a short amount of time. So that's the plus about it. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So I'm going to walk you guys through how to do this because, you know, I am the queen of fast forwarding stuff and just talking over it. But I have various sizes of flexi rods, so any size that I feel like will be best, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So there's no really specific size that I can tell you to start with. And then that way, if I need to go over with my straightener a little bit, I can, just to get it a little bit more straighter, because I know it's not going to be all the way straight, and that's not what I'm going for. I'm just trying to get it straight enough so the curls will look cute. I'm going to take a little bit of bio silk, not a lot, just a little bit, and this is a new one, so I gotta make the hole just a little bit, and then rub it through that section of my hair. And then I'm about to curl my hair. Me using a curler is so much better than using a straightener, y'all. I don't know why. I just love curlers way better. So yeah. And then this is kind of like an alternative way to like do your clips. I forgot who I seen do this, but it was like a very long time ago, like when I was in high school and I used to watch all these YouTube videos. I seen this girl and she had red hair, burgundy hair, and she showed how she curled her hair so fast, and she used flexi rods. So ever since I seen that in high school, I always did that. Okay, you guys, so this is what I came out with. This cute little, it looks so natural, like a natural little curls blowout type thing. I did brush the curls out a bit, but I'm loving it. It's really cute. WowAfrican did their thing once again, because they always come through with the hair and the cute hairlines and all that. But I really love it. It's like a cute little natural little look. And I'm gonna also show you guys how you can put water on it and it goes right back to the water wave little feel. Like, it's really cute. You get 2 for 1, like really cute. I kind of don't even want to put water on this, but I have to for the sake of you guys, so you guys can see if this actually gives you a hit or gives you a miss. Okay, you guys, so I'm using a spray bottle, and as you can see, the curls are coming right back. After I blow dried the hair, did everything, the curls are coming right back. So you guys are gonna get to see how this really looks with the curls inside of it. And all I literally did was take a spray bottle and spray my hair. That's literally all I did, was take a spray bottle and spray my hair. And you guys can see the curls are coming back. Just because I did add a lot of heat to it, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Miss Jessie's Don't Shrink Elongating Curl Gel, and I'm about to take a little bit of this and put it onto my hair. I actually didn't expect it to come back this quick. Okay, so now what I'm about to do is just dry my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this. I'm not gonna diffuse it, even though that would be really cute if I did, but I'm not, because I kind of have somewhere to go. So I'm just gonna do it like this. But I'm gonna keep doing this for a while, and I'm gonna come back when everything is exactly how I want it to be. Okay guys, so these are what the curls are looking like. It's right back to how I had it before. Like, it didn't even really even change. And y'all see these curls are super duper 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 cute. And yeah, it's really a 2 for 1 deal with this wig, honestly. It's really cute. This definitely looks like a whole different hair. Like, this is cute. I love it. It's very, very cute. Like, it really is a 2 for 1 deal with this hair, because you just get everything, like, period. Yes, you guys, but I totally think this hair is a 10 out of 10, because the lace everything was great. The hair was great. It reverted back to the curly state, and it's really, really cute. So that was really great. So yes, you guys, this is the finished products that we came out with. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. I will be back with more videos. Stay blessed.